Looking to upgrade your home with the latest smart technology? Look no further than our automatic smart intelligent electric blinds. We are your go-to source for custom-made and expertly installed electric blinds in Ontario, Canada. With our cutting-edge technology and seamless integration with your smart home system, you can effortlessly control the lighting and privacy levels in your space with just a tap on your smartphone. Enjoy convenience, energy efficiency, and added security with our state-of-the-art electric blinds. Transform your living space today and experience the future of home automation. See the links in the description area to confirm our 99% rating for our reviews and feedback from hundreds of clients throughout Ontario. For more information, call Diamond Custom Shutters, Ontario, Canada's best window covering solutions supplier today at 416-571-3315 or visit us online at diamondcustomshutters.ca.